Hello everybody. Today we are going to be going through this car wash and now we have a water wizard system. So today we are going to be going through it.
If you would like a receipt, please press the receipt button. Please pull forward to begin your wash.
Oh, I gotta do this with the.
Yeah, so we don't hit break those mirrors. Hello everybody.
I can't do it.
Now here we go. Wow, is there lights out on the side?
No.
But that's alright. It still looks cool with those LEDs.
Oh, we don't have to talk to the owner, okay? Just want to drive through here and get out of here.
Yeah. There's a bug in here.
No.
Okay, today now we're having pre-soak. You guys can't see the blasters because all the pre-soak is in the way. Hope this cleans our car pretty good. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Gosh, that sounds like a train clickety clacking. Now we were having some high pressure, and they're probably going to give us some tri-foam, and hopefully it smells pretty good. And the pre-soak is coming from the top right there. You guys see that nozzle right there? It's coming from there. They're probably gonna give us spot-free rinse. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna give us spot-free rinse. Oh wait, no, it's wax. Sorry guys. Now this time we're having spot-free rinse. We have to drive a little faster. Now we're gonna dry up this car and then we're done. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this car wash video.